If you're only using your VPN to hide your IP, you're wasting 80% of what your VPN can actually do. Because a good VPN can help you stay safe on public Wi-Fi, unlock streaming and sports, save money on flights, and a lot more. Here are 6 powerful ways to actually use your VPN properly. And the last one is seriously underrated. Let's go. Quick heads up. The VPN market is messy. A lot of providers are overhyped. And honestly, some are just slow or unreliable. So if you want something that actually works, my top picks are NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN. And if you decide to try one, I've left discount links in the description below so you don't pay full price. Alright, so once you pick a VPN, setup is super easy. Step 1. Download the app. All 3 have apps for Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and even browser extensions. Then log in and pick a server. For example, in NordVPN, I can just click United States, New York, and within a few seconds, boom. Now I'm connected. And my connection is private. But this connection can do way more than people think. So first, the obvious one. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic. That means if you're on public Wi-Fi at an airport, hotel, cafe, and someone tries snooping on your connection, they basically see nothing useful. Your data becomes unreadable. And it's not just hackers. Even your internet provider can't see what you're doing. Plus, VPNs like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN can also block trackers, malicious websites, and in some cases even malware. So you're not just private, you're a lot harder to target. But okay, that's the serious part. Let's talk about the fun stuff. Here's one VPN trick that feels illegal, but isn't. Some websites change prices based on your location, and sometimes even based on your browsing history. Flights, hotels, subscriptions, even online shopping. So if you've ever looked at a flight, refreshed the page, and suddenly it's more expensive, yeah, that's usually not a coincidence. Here's what you do. First, clear your cookies. Then, open an incognito window. And finally, connect your VPN to a different country. I usually start with the company's home country first, then compare prices across regions. And yes, I've personally saved money doing this. It's one of the easiest VPN tricks out there. Now, this is probably the #1 reason people get a VPN. Streaming. A ton of content is blocked depending on where you live. Netflix libraries change. BBC iPlayer is locked. Port streams are restricted. A VPN basically lets you teleport your location. All you do is connect to a server in the country you want, refresh the app, and the content becomes available again. I use this all the time when traveling, especially when I want to watch something that's only available back home. And the reason I recommend NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN here is because they have massive server networks. And quick reminder, if you want the best deal on my top pick, check the discount links below or scan the QR code on screen. Now, here's something a lot of people don't realize. If you torrent without protection, your IP address can be exposed. And depending on where you live, torrenting may even be restricted. That's where a VPN becomes essential. It encrypts your connection and hides your real IP. But for torrenting, you want specific features such as P2P servers, a kill switch, and strong speeds. NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN all support P2P traffic, and they all include kill switches. That means if the VPN disconnects for even a second, your internet connection gets cut instantly, so your IP doesn't leak. ProtonVPN even offers port forwarding, which can help improve torrent speeds. Just remember, torrenting always carries risks. If you're going to do it safely. Okay, what about gaming? Can a VPN improve gaming performance? Sometimes, yes. Not because it magically makes your internet faster, but because it can help you. Avoid ISP throttling, access servers in other regions, reduce routing issues, or protect against DDoS attacks. If you play competitive games, being able to server hop can actually be useful. Just make sure you choose a fast VPN, because cheap VPNs will absolutely destroy your ping. Now, this last one is more of a power user feature, dedicated IP. Normally, when you use a VPN, you share an IP address with other users, but that can sometimes cause problems, like constant CAPTCHAs, websites blocking your login, or services flagging you as suspicious. A dedicated IP gives you your own private IP address, just for you. So it's still encrypted, but consistent. NordVPN and Surfshark offer dedicated IP as an add-on. And if you work remotely, access business accounts, or just hate CAPTCHAs, this feature is seriously underrated. A VPN isn't just for privacy nerds. It's a multi-tool. It helps you to stay safe online, protect your data on public Wi-Fi, unlock content, save money, torrent more privately, and even improve gaming in some cases. If you want my top picks again, NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN are the ones I recommend. And if you want the best available price, I've left discount links in the description below. All of them come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test them completely risk-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.